To hide apps on the Google Pixel 10 Pro, first of all, you have to start by opening Settings. Now you will have to scroll down and open Security and the Privacy. And right now, just go for option called Private Space. Input your screen lock. And now we have to scroll all the way down and click Setup. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now you'll have to scroll to the Got It in the right bottom corner. And over here you have to input your Google account. Now you have to click I agree after you add your Google account or create a Google account if you want. And now we have to choose a new lock, or we can use the same one that's our screen. So in my case, I will continue with my standard screen lock. Now click down in the right bottom corner. And now if you want to hide application, you have to scroll all the way down, click on the private space, use your lock method. And now go to the Google Play Store and simply download this specific application. Now click no thanks and simply download application that you want to hide. So if I want to hide, for example, WhatsApp application, I have to go for it, click on the installation button, and now just wait a little bit until the download will be finished. And as you can see right now, the WhatsApp is available only in the private space. So now, as you can see, you can put here any application that you want by using this simple method.